We're getting going on the mausoleum, so let's get this bad boy started. Hey people, Stuart Smith here from STUARTIZM Designs. We're back at our establishment about 45 minutes from the house, and we are working on the mausoleum. We finished up the caves yesterday, and now we're working on the mausoleum. It's all part of the queue line. So they got all sorts of cool stuff they're going to be walking through before they even get to the first attraction. So they did some foam work, and we got these big bad boys behind me, and they need to be painted. These guys, coffins here. So we're gonna sit there and do some hopper gunning, all sorts of cool stuff. And these bad boys, we're gonna be placing skeletons all gacked out and nastified. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So hey, if you're not familiar with the channel, Stuart Smith again. I paint monsters for a living, all over the world. So we're here for another 4 days, and then we head off to Connecticut just to do some hot 3D action there, and a portion of New Hampshire. So come on board, subscribe. Really appreciate you watching. I'll have some more videos in the description below. And hey, you all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. I also am going to throw in this little rock pile here. We hopper gunned this on Saturday, and it is all ready for painting for the photo op area. So enjoy that. people. Hopper gunning is done. Hallelujah. Oh, shoulder's gonna fall off, and it's hot in here today, which is good. Paint's gonna dry fast, but so am I. So thanks for coming on board, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out those videos in the description below. And hey, you all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.